So how did this whole paleo craze get started anyways? It's interesting to think that this diet is something that has only been studied for approximately the last 30 years. During the mid-1980s, we started to see publications come out and maybe a single book or so here and there on the benefits of a Paleolithic diet. But it really didn't hit its stride until early in the first decade of the 2000s when some more people started researching it and studying it. People like Lauren Cordain over in Colorado is one of the first big players to the field on researching and talking about the benefits of a Paleolithic diet. So what is a paleo diet exactly? What a Paleolithic diet is trying to mock is how our ancestors used to eat, the cavemen basically. So they were in a hunter-gatherer society, so they were mainly eating meats from the hunting that they were doing, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. So this is the kind of diet that we're trying to model with modern day foods. One ingredient foods, for the most part, that our body is supposed to recognize. Nothing synthetic, not an excess amount of sugar, pretty much no alcohol for the most part, depending on who you're talking to about the paleo diet. All simple, effective ingredients that your body recognizes in modeling that era. Now, of course, we're not going to be able to eat exactly as our ancestors did back in the Stone Age, but we can do our best with the resources and the foods that we have nowadays to model that diet.